Good day, good day, good Monday. Rainy day Mondays. Yes, we're having a rainy day where I live. So how y'all doing today? I hope you're doing good. Today I'm going to show you some trades from over here. For some setups, I mean. Okay. Oh yeah, it was good right over here. I was up at this time last night. Mode Z. And it had some unique trades here by what they call a, what do they call it again? Oh, a bear flag. You know what Patrick trades, okay? He hasn't got anything new under the sun. It's something from very long ago. Like I was trading flags back in 2007. And they worked really good for me too. So here's one right here. Okay. Let me make this a bit bigger so you can see it a bit better. A bit bigger to see it a bit better. How about that, eh? Okay. There's number one. La-dee-da. Buy the dips, sell the rallies. Okay. Here's another one. Look, look, look. Here's another baby right there. Boom. Oh, no, don't do that to me now. Okay. Somewhere in here quickly, you could have done it. I actually did this trade in here. I probably did some other trade in here too. Lower, I can't remember. I do so many trades in a day. I'm a madman scalper. I think I've made that point clear. Even though I teach you the divergence and show you the divergence, and I show you all my other setups. You know, I myself, I trade, I'm a scalper. I'm a scalper. Scalp it. Know what I mean? Yes. So, was there a trade over here? Yeah. Maybe not. I don't know. I can't remember. Okay, over here. There's a trade in here I did. I know that. So, anyway, we had two very successful bull flag setups. One here to buy it, up it went. Here's another one here to buy it here, and up it went. Then it put in a double top. See the slant? See how it's pointing down on the Osma? That means it was going to go down. Did it go down? Fucking rights, it went down. Right there. I definitely did trades in here too. Yeah, yeah. It's beautiful, beautiful. Look at those beautiful trades. Oh, I didn't put the arrow on this one. Hold on. Right in here. Oh, I don't like that short arrow. I like it longer. There, that looks better now. So there was those trades, and that was in the UK session, okay? And we had a low and lower low. I did a trade in here also. It was lower lows divergence, right? So you would have got in right there. Boom, shakalak. I think I got in at the R2 line. See over here? Let me get rid of this here. Well, maybe I better keep that on there. But I'm sure you can. There. Now you can see R2. So anyway, I think, yeah, I got out at the, or I jumped in at the R2, or I got out at the R2. I can't remember. You know, when it's happening in real life and you're right there at the right time, like right there, right now, it looks so different than it looks now. Like it looks like a bigger move that happened. You know what I mean? When you're there at the actual time of the trade setup. So I just want to point that across. So there's another thing that there's some traders who trade this. They find a high, then a retracement, and then it comes into the high. They draw a line out into the future like this, and you'll see how many times it keeps coming back to that line. So after it drew it right here, came to the line again, almost here. So there's 1, 2, 3 times, 4 times it bounced off this trend line. You see that? Yeah. I just wanted to show you that. Okay. If you ever want to draw a line like that. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, Vern? Come on, Vern. You know what I mean. Okay. I'm just imitating my buddy Vern from the movies. Yeah. He's pretty funny, Vern. Oh, I gotta tell you this. Like I told you before, I used to be a bricklayer, and I used to work for my brother-in-law. But anyway, he had all the workers that worked for him, and we're standing there, and and he and his workers there, I don't know, 20, 25 feet away, and he yells out, "Hey, Vern!" And they all look over to see who's calling them, because he called them all Vern. Oh, it was funny. It was funny. Back in the fucking 80s. Or early 90s. No, it was probably the early 90s. So anyway, we had a trade here somewhere. I just can't see it. See, because the chart's changed now. It's bouncing up and down. It's doing its fucking thing. See right here, lower lows. Boom. And right from there, there it is. That's it there. I think. Yeah, that's it. I just didn't have it in the right spot. So there's the lower lows. You would have bought it in here and up it goes, right? And here's the arrow to do that. And no, don't highlight that. So, of course, after I finished trading and I went to bed to get a little bit of, a little bit of shut eye. Yeah, a little bit of shut eye. Yeah, and it went up so beautifully. Oh, yeah. But then we hit another double top. Or, no, that actually wasn't a double top. That's right, I was checking with this line. That was a high and higher high. Yeah, that's it. It's a high and higher high. And down here, this goes down like this. And you would have sold in there. And down it went. I did a trade in here also. There's hidden divergence right here also. Again, so many trades today. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh, I gotta go a bit higher, I guess. We'll put it there. Something like that. There. And put the arrow on there. Right there. Boom. If you would have held that sucker, look at how far it went down. It went down beautifully. Oh, look, they're taking it down again. What goes up must come down. Doesn't mean markets always go up, and they don't always go down. They go sideways too. But they definitely do not go up, always go up. No. That's a no-no. There's someone who preaches that like it's the holy gospel word. But I guess on the days where it goes down and he was buying, it wasn't too good. Sorry to say, you got to if you want to trade and win in these markets, you've got to be not afraid to dump a losing trade and not afraid to get in the opposite side and not afraid of buying or selling. Okay? If you can conquer those 3 things, which is very, very difficult, trust me, took me like over 10 years to try and, and I'll still fuck up. But most of the time, if I see I'm on the wrong side, I'm ready to kill the fucking trade. I don't care how much I lost. Just close the fucking trade. I'm not one of these guys, and I don't mean to say anything bad about anybody, but I'm not one of these guys where I get into a trade and I'm married to that trade. Like, I don't use, predetermined stop loss and take profits. So that's how another reason how I stay away from getting married to the trade and holding on to a loser. Okay? Once you see you're on the wrong side, get the fuck out. That's what you got to do. Don't sit there and watch it go all the way down to your stop or all the way up to your stop that you have predetermined is safe. Yeah, so many traders do that, and it's such a bad habit. That's all I can say. But then again, there's probably traders who use these, predetermined stops and take profits, and they work. They work. They get payouts. So it just all depends on the situation. But I myself, I know not to hold on to trades when I'm on the wrong side. I get the fuck out. I don't use predetermined stops and take profits. So I never sit there and watch the fucking thing just lose more and more and more money where it just bleeds right out of you. You know? Yeah. I know it's all talk, no action, but I'm just trying to tell you this is what I do. And I try not to lose, right? That's the whole thing. See, like down here, you have no idea. I wanted to sell it. I want it because it keeps going down lower and lower and lower. But look at it. Look at this motherfucker. Look at it. Look at it carefully. Look. They created their little bottom right here. And I thought maybe it was going to go back up from here. Because so many times it's like a launch pad. It's like, I call it the Elon launch pad. That's what I call it. They have see this straight line here? If I put a line there, see? They could have bought off of there. They didn't do it though. But still, I wanted to sell so bad in here. I did it once, and I got a little scalp right here somewhere. But I didn't touch it after that because it kept coming down and putting in a lower low, but not by much. Look at that. A little bit lower than here. A little bit lower than here. See? A little bit lower than this one. A little bit lower than this one. Look how many times they done that before they fucking turn the corner here. Before they turn the page. Okay, it's time to buy now. Fuck the selling. Let's buy. Right? Anyway. Let me show you. So we had a sell fake. And right here is the hookup. This is the hookup. You would have bought in here, and look, it went way the fuck up here. Yeah, it was a good trade from down there. And there was also, actually, yeah, I traded this right here. Now I remember. I traded so many trades, I can't remember all the trades. But look at this. Look. Here it is. It's right here. It's from right here. See? Those are lower lows. And right here is the divergence. It's pointing up, meaning the price is going to go up. And it did go up. It did, man. Okay. All right. Right there. That was the trade. This here too, right here. This here is from the divergence right here, lower lows right here. You bought it and went up. That was a nice trade right there. And then over here, we had a sell fake and then a hookup, and you would have bought somewhere in here, and up it went even more. It would have gave you some beautiful profits. And that's it for the NASDAQ, for the Ninja Trader. Now let me bring on down the MetaTrader 4 and we'll continue the video. Okay. So this is the NASDAQ 5 minute. Let's open it up a bit. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, there was one trade. Low and lower low. And right from here up to here. And we would have got long right in there. And it went up, as you can see. but there was no trade to sell it all the way down here, this big rundown that we had. And there's no divergence to buy it here either because the right side is deeper than the left side. Okay, let's move on down now to the S&P 500. Doesn't have any divergence up here, I can see. Nothing here in mid-range, nothing. Oh, there is one down here. Holy tamale. Where the fuck do I draw it from? Way the fuck up there. Holy jeez Louise. So there you go. Within 5 minutes, it went up like 7 points or something. 10 points, 8 points, 7.8 points. Almost 8 points. Okay, let's look at that Wixter. Oh, look at that big run up, huh? Woo-wee. 300 points, man. 300-point runner. And we got no divergence here to buy it here. You bastards. You greedy bastards. You didn't give us a chance to get in. Pound dollar. Oh, that looks ugly. All these hills. Well, there was a trade here. Went down 27 pips on the pound. The euro? I don't know. I see it now. Okay, I drew that a little bit too long, so we'll just bring it to there. Right here. Went down 18 pips on the euro. Pound yen, oh, a little choppy. But we did have a trade up here, double top. So if we would have got short in here, went down 37, 38 pips on the pound yen, and the stop was right at this wick high, 14 pips. Did it go back up to the stop? Sorry. Something's sticking to my vocal cords. It stops me from talking. Fuck's sakes. Anyway, it was a beautiful trade. Double top. Once you sold in here, it never came back to your stop right there. Which I don't show you guys enough of those, but it's just, it is what it is because it puts in the higher high or the lower low and it don't go back there again. And that's where you put your stop. Yeah. It's never the same. Your stop should never be the same. It should be dynamic, just like the market. The market is fucking dynamic. It's always moving. So you can't go, okay, I'm going to lock in my bracket order with a 40-point stop and a 60-point take profit. And you know what? The market doesn't know you. Doesn't know you from fucking nowhere. And doesn't care about you either. Okay? So even if you put your stops there and your take profits over there, the market doesn't know they're there and doesn't care and can go after them. But when you put it in the right place and it's dynamic and it's different every time, you have much more success with doing your trades. Okay? So anyway, this is the pound yen. It went down 38 pips from that trade. There's no other trade over here. There's just chop. Okay, euro yen. Oh, it has a trade right there. Hidden divergence, and right here. And yeah. And down she goes. 30 points. 30 pips. Yeah, here's doing la-di-da, la-la land. La-la-la-la. La-la land. Okay. Let's look at oil now. Oh, they sold oil off now. Right back down again, 68.29 last price. Holy fuck, eh? You bastards. Let's put it on the 15. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that on the 15. Higher highs. Right? Higher highs. Oh, look at that. Look at that beauty. That's a beaut. Sell right there in the opening of this candle. Maybe 2 ticks or 3 ticks drawdown. And once you sold right there, did the price come back up right here to where your dynamic stop should be at the swing high? No, didn't go back there. Not whatsoever. And the full potential from it is how much? $200. $2, man. 200 ticks down it went. And on the journey down, there's always a journey, okay? What do we have? We have a higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. That's enough, eh? Those 3? Plus this one over here. Oh, that's a beautiful thing. The fucking oil today, Motzi Tabernac, is really good. It was good. It was very good, folks. Okay, let's look at gold now. Oh, gold sold off today. Just like oil. Just like oil. Holy frig. 15-minute. Oh, yeah. We have a double top. Or a higher high. We can call it a higher high. And we take it right from here, from this high, right down to these blue 2 little doodahs right here, sitting here, you know, singing a song, doing a dance. Yeah. Right there. And you would have sold it right in there. So if you sold it right in there, the stop always dynamically goes right here, right? So when you sold it in here, did it come back up here to hit your stop? No, not whatsoever. How much did this gold go down? This is gold, yeah, holy fuck. 500, man. It went down fucking 500 fucking points. Oh yeah, it's always like that. Isn't it always like that? You go and you look at the charts and you go, why didn't I do that trade? Where was I? Was I having a picnic out in the back farm in the back 40 or what? I don't know. You always miss the trade. You only see them afterwards. But anyway, here's the trade. I don't trade gold. A little bit maybe, but I don't have much success with it. So I like trading NASDAQ. NASDAQ shows me promise. Today I made how many points did I make? It was more than 100. It was a couple hundred, I think. I don't know. I can't count them. Did so many trades, all these little scalp trades. I didn't count them. So anyway, that's it for the markets that move. That was gold, a big, huge sell-off on gold. Let me look at the 4-hour. Oh. And you wonder, hey, why did you go up here if you're just going to take it all the way down here? You know? Yeah. Fucking crazy market. Okay. Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin's bullish. Very bullish. Holy fuck, eh? $84,000 for one coin, ladies and gentlemen. $84,000. You heard the story about the fucking guy who was drunk at the bar and he come out of the bar. This is in Europe somewhere. Back in, I think it was late 2009 or it was early. No, it must have been 2009. Because the Bitcoin was worth like 1/10 of 1 penny. Anyway, he traded. This guy was a Bitcoin miner where you could use your ordinary computer back then to mine the coins. And he gave, I think it was 10,000 Bitcoin for 2 extra large pizzas. I'm sure you've heard the story. Yeah. And how much are those 10,000 Bitcoin worth today? 10,000 times 84,000. Crazy. Fucking waiting for fucking XRP to go up there. Oh, a little bit bullish today, XRP. It did come up. Yeah, you can see right here. See, rallied up, came right back down, then up again, then down again. Yeah. At least it's a little bit bullish, but not bullish enough for me. Okay, and then we have silver, and they're selling it off just like gold. And then Ethereum. Oh yeah, Ethereum's bullish. It follows Bitcoin. And then the yen. What did the yen do? Oh, it's trying to get up there. It's trying. So anyway, I want to thank you so much for watching and listening today, and and driving out in your car. Gas should be coming down soon, hopefully. Anyway, if you trade this afternoon, be careful. Remember, always find the setup first, then make this decision to get into the trade. Okay? So that's it. That's all. Good luck and good trading.